Hi everybody, our no-sew mask series continues, and today we're going to show you how to make a no-sew face mask literally in just a few minutes, and you just need some scissors and a ruler and an old t-shirt or a hoodie. Let's get started. You want to take your t-shirt and lay it out. It needs to be about at least 17 inches wide. You're going to cut the bottom off, and you can use the t-shirt and cut some strings out for the mask from the bottom. And now you're going to take your ruler and go about 8 inches. Once you cut that off, you then want to even out the sides and make sure it's at least 17 inches wide. Once you cut off those sides, you're going to have enough for 2 masks, and use some scissors to kind of even it out. Now you can use those strings we talked about, or if you have a hoodie, you can cut out the strings from that. From there, you really want to stretch out your t-shirt and fold over the top. Take your strings, make sure they're about 20 inches wide. And use your ruler to put it for about 4 inches from each side. Fold that over, and once you have that like that, you're going to tie off the top. And it's as simple as that. You're going to take it then, put the top over the top of your head, and pull out the bottom string and tie it off just like that. There you have your super easy no-sew upcycled t-shirt face mask. We have a series of non-sew face masks because a lot of people don't have sewing machines. So I'm going to put links to the other masks in the description below. Of course, we'd love you to share this video with all of your friends to help get the word out. Experts are encouraging everybody to wear masks during this time, and this is one of the easiest ways you can make a face mask. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much.